I'm Stella. Today I'll be opening up Shopkins. Some came out of these and some came out of these. I'm going to start opening. This is Miss Present. Like a cat. We don't know his name. This is a roller skater. Then this is Prickles. Got it. This is a cupcake with a biscuit in it. And I love it. And this is a saxophone. He is in gold. And then this is what we don't know. Oh. And then we've got this one. She is Strawberry Kiss. And now I'm going to start showing you my old ones I've got. This is a TV remote. It's a Petkin. This is Peely Potatoes. Birthday Betty. This is Wishes. Vacuum cleaner. This is a bangle. This is Dinky Drinks. This is a special edition that I don't know. Me and my sister don't know them. This is Cherry Pie. Queen of Tart. This is a fish bowl. I've got this big Shopkins thing. Big bus. And it opens up the top. Here's the middle one. It's got a little refrigerator. That's all for today. See you next week.